YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Juice Up dual monitor holder for your desk. This one is the model MA954, and it is recommended for 13-inch to 27-inch. Support 17.6 pound max load per arm. This one is the 75 by 75 or 100 by 100 VESA compatible, and it also supports a curve monitor, cable management, negative 90 degree to plus 35 degree tilt. It has a 180 degree swivel, 360 degree rotation. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. I purchased this through eBay, $26.99 plus tax, but free shipping. Wow, this is a heavy-duty table mounting. And these two are the mounting plate for your monitor. And you got the thumb screw, some of the bolt, plastic covers, and more thumb screw. And then there's a C bolt. It's a plastic attachment. It's a E bolt, I bolt. And then J, come with the Allen key. And this one is the spare parts. Wow, more Allen key. This is to tighten the force on the screw of the joint. Guess I need more torque. And then comes this 3M double-sided tape. I guess this is for a different type of mounting. And then right here is the cable management clips. Wow. So you need to insert this and then tighten up this bolt right here to make a tight fit, depending on how high you want. And then you gotta tie the 3 bolt on the bottom plate here. Must be this 3 bolt. And then just match up the hole. Make sure the juice up is facing the front. And if your desk is not too thick or whatever, you could also take out this bolt and adjust this to a higher position. So you could put the monitor, and then there's a hole right here to screw on the bolt. And the arm you could bend. Cool. So this 2 metal plate, in case you have a grommet hole mount on your desk, this will go in on the bottom of your desk, okay? And you will need to use this long screw, J, to screw up on the bottom to the pole right here, okay? To have a tight fit. So this is the grommet hole plate for your the wiring. You need to take out the cover, remove this ring, okay? So I can hold it together, to join together like that, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, always. Peace.